everyone, welcome again to Sewing Princess. So for today, I upcycle this oversized polo shirt into the bodycon. So without further ado, let's get started in the tutorial. So first, I lay it flat and then remove the sleeves and use a bodycon to trace it in the polo shirt and cut it. Then I pin them together and sew the sides with a zigzag stitch. Since the fabric is stretchable, I use a zigzag stitch. Then I use a twin needle to hem the raw edges in the top. But if you don't have a twin needle, you can just double fold it and sew with a zigzag stitch. Then just sew together the sleeves in the bodycon, and I sew a channel because I will insert a elastic in the sleeves. After sewing, I use a pin to insert the elastic and secure it with a zigzag stitch in the end of the elastic. And that's it, simple and easy. And this is the final bodycon. So if you like this tutorial, it means a lot for me if you like and subscribe, and see you in my next video.